I made my own Easter decor. Can you believe it? So I saw these two containers on sale and I was like thinking, okay, let's make something with it. So no painting, nothing. I got two similar napkin and I applied decoupage glue on them, a good amount of decoupage glue, so I will not have any wrinkles. And I also applied pressure on it, and I must admit, see, one of the napkin even tear up. If this happens, and it might happen because the napkin is getting really wet, just take it off, wipe it off, and start all over. So here is one, there is another one. See, I applied glue underneath and then with good amount of decoupage glue over it with nice strokes, but with good amount of decoupage glue. I didn't let my brush dry off the glue. I hope I make myself clear what I wanted to say. And then I let it dry. And of course I did all four sides of this, and in between it was drying, I made myself some so-called flower picks. I'm hoping it is called picks because I am not English native speaker, but I am hoping it does. So I took this wool hot glue and I just roll it around a flower stem, which are used for arrangement and such. And this is, I'm not sure how thin it is, but it can be easily to be like bended. You bend it like here. So I made myself my own. Yes, some might say you can buy those, but I can make my own with any colors I need or want or whatever. So I made two of these for two containers. Then I applied some green paint on top of my containers, even though it won't be visible when I finish decorating it. But if you just wanted to have these containers, it's good to apply this paint. Then I went with my trusted glitter decoupage glue all over, and I let that dry. And after it was dry, it was time to seal it. So I use my pouring glaze because I wanted to a shiny look. So I applied 3 layers, but you can use varnish, whatever you want. So it's up to you. And technically my containers are done, finished. Here they are. And the next step I did was decorate them for Easter spring, for my own Easter decor. I'm gonna show you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this quick, easy tutorial how to decoupage a container. And well, I must admit the next video gonna be Easter too. Bye.